Hi, today we're talking about medical history order tracker. So, if you want to track the medical history of any of the patients and you're looking for a simple Notion template, then this can help you out. So, over here we have got a simple database at the bottom where we have the patient ID, the patient name, the date of visit, the symptoms, the diagnosis, prescribed medication, the follow up if it is required or not, and the doctor name who is on the particular patient. And if you scroll to the top, we have summarized this into different views. So under the all records, you can see all the records of the patient who have been visiting the particular doctors. Then you can see the follow-up. So if the follow-up is required for any particular patient, this will be visible over here. Then we have by doctor. So this shows all the patient records as per different doctors that have been assigned on the particular patients. So we have the patient name, the date of visit, the symptoms, and the diagnosis listed over here. Then we have the summary, which shows the summary of all the patient visits. So we have different kind of symptoms for every disease and the particular name of the patients over here. You can definitely play around with the summary and you can enable more properties from here in the list and it will automatically populate over here. And finally, we have visits. So this is the calendar view of who is visiting on what particular date. You can even show more things like the particular doctor name. So let me go with the doctor name over here. You can see the doctor name appearing over here. Then you can also show the patient ID. So obviously you can play around with this and you can show as many properties as you want in the particular calendar view. If you scroll to the top, I have added a new tool that is PDF output, which helps you generate PDF documents in bulk for a personal or commercial use cases. So what it does is it needs a Google document as a source of template file, where you can define the PDF template file, and then it captures the data from a Google Sheet or a Notion database, which you can use to replace the Google document file and generate multiple PDF documents in bulk in one click. I've added a video of how you can do the same with invoices utilizing Google Doc and along with Sheets and Notion database. So you can definitely watch this video to understand more about the process. If you want to contact me with any of the queries, please reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. This is where I will be able to assist you with any queries or any specific template requirements. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.